Using the Bill.com API webhook is a powerful way to streamline your accounting and billing processes, automating tasks and improving efficiency. In this guide, we will explore the benefits and uses of the Bill.com API webhook, providing a step-by-step overview of how to integrate it into your workflow. First, let's define what a webhook is. A webhook is a callback function that is triggered by a specific event, sending real-time notifications to a specified URL. In the context of Bill.com, the API webhook allows you to receive notifications when certain events occur, such as when a bill is paid or a payment is received. One of the primary benefits of using the Bill.com API webhook is automation. By setting up webhooks, you can automate tasks such as updating your accounting records, sending notifications to vendors or customers, or triggering workflows. This saves time and reduces the risk of human error, allowing you to focus on higher-level tasks. To get started with the Bill.com API webhook, you will need to set up a developer account and create an API key. Once you have your API key, you can use it to authenticate your webhook requests. You will also need to specify the events you want to receive notifications for, such as bill payments or invoice approvals. A key concept to understand when using the Bill.com API webhook is the idea of event-driven programming. This means that your application will react to events as they occur, rather than constantly polling the Bill.com API for updates. This approach is more efficient and scalable, as it reduces the number of requests being made to the API. In practical terms, using the Bill.com API webhook can be as simple as setting up a Zapier integration to update your accounting records when a bill is paid. Alternatively, you can use the webhook to trigger a custom workflow, such as sending a notification to a vendor when a payment is received. Best practices for using the Bill.com API webhook include setting up multiple webhooks to handle different events, using secure authentication methods to protect your API key, and testing your webhooks thoroughly to ensure they are working correctly. In conclusion, the Bill.com API webhook is a powerful tool for automating your accounting and billing processes. By understanding how to set up and use webhooks, you can streamline your workflow, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. Whether you are a developer or an accountant, the Bill.com API webhook is an essential tool for anyone looking to get the most out of their Bill.com account.